If you haven't read the books, The Fourth Industrial Revolution by Klaus Schwab, or COVID-19, The Great Reset by Klaus Schwab, and I believe Thierry, I may be pronouncing his last name incorrectly, but his first name is Thierry Malleret, Malleret, and also The Age of Cryptocurrency. Can't think of the authors right now, but I'm going to put their names in the description below. Just buy Bitcoin, y'all. Just buy Bitcoin. Period. In 2009, when Bitcoin first came to the forefront, I was skeptical. I was like, oh, no one's going to buy this. This is a scam. It's a Ponzi scheme. The greatest thinkers or the financial systems would not allow it. 20-something years later, look at what Bitcoin is. Look at where Bitcoin is. Bitcoin has already revolutionized the entire financial spectrum. It's not about if, but when, and it's not about if you believe or don't believe. It's not about if you know or don't know, if you understand or don't comprehend. Bitcoin is here to stay. The blockchain is not going anywhere. If you're not buying Bitcoin, you will be left behind, and you might not be on the same frequency as those who have now either become millionaires or billionaires. And I'm telling you, it's still early. I'm going to tell you a brief story about what happened to me in 2009 when I first came across Bitcoin. I was skeptical. I was like, this stuff is not going to work. The financial markets are not going to accept it. The big boys and gals in the financial spectrum or the financial spheres are not going to allow this fly. They're not going to let this jeopardize their system. They're not going to let this even come into fruition. But guess what? Look at where we are now. It's here, and it's here to stay. And people are making money off of it. People are profiting, making millions of dollars. You know what that really means? It means that you can join the community too. It's all about what you do with your money. Do some study, reading, and that's how you're gonna know more about it. And to be honest, I don't know too much about it, but I'm reading, I'm studying. And I can tell you for a fact, if you do the same, you will too know what's going on and be on the right side of history, because the fourth industrial revolution, a lot of things are in there. The book by Klaus Schwab. Read the book. Yes, link below. So anyway, get the book or books, buy Bitcoin, close your mouth. Don't listen to the news. Don't listen to what people are telling you, because they may be buying Bitcoin too, because the big boys and girls, the most richest of peoples are buying Bitcoin. Trust me, they are leaving you behind. They are telling you not to buy. They're demonizing Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Buy Bitcoin. Don't leave it on the so-called exchanges though. Make sure you get your cold wallets. I think Trezor has a device that you can purchase, and you can lock all your passwords or keys in those cold wallets. Trezor has it, link below, and then Ledger. I think Ledger has it too. Both of them are some of the best ones to get. Don't store your Bitcoins on the exchanges, because they can get hacked, or you can lose lots of your proceeds. In the next video, I'm going to quote from the books I mentioned, and you see what I'm talking about. Bitcoin has already revolutionized the game. El Salvador also made Bitcoin their legal tender. They were laughing at him then. I wonder what they're talking about him now. Bitcoin skyrocketed to about 123,000 passing, and then it has dropped, but it's going to rise again. Some researchers are saying that Bitcoin could top about 200,000 by the end of the year, and by 2030 it can go all the way to $3.2 million per coin. You are still early. Get in the game. On to the next one. Beacons of light, just be it. Be what your greatest self in this lifetime. Go out and be great. Share the video, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Go get some Bitcoin. Peace and always love. And thank you.